Friends, so today we are doing active and passive voice. So we have already have also done this, but some topics are left, so we will continue with that. So first I will tell again what is a voice. Okay, so as you know, voice is what? A voice is a form of a verb. It's a verb, so which show its connection with the subject. Okay, and it also shows whether the subject does something or something is done to the subject. Okay, so this is the our definition. Okay, so here we will discuss about this first we will take this topic, use of the preposition other than by. Earlier we are doing what? We are using by. Okay, means when we are changing active voice in the passive voice, so we use only by. But in this case we will use other than by. Okay, so active voice, how will it will be changed? Look at this. His work satisfied me. So first you have to look which tense is this. Okay, so first you tell me which tense is this. So this tense is his work satisfied me. So this is past indefinite tense. So for that, change into the passive voice, how you will be change? Means we will use was, were and verbs third form. Okay, so this subject is what? This subject will be changed into this subject. Okay, so this is our subject and this is object. So now how can we be change? So let's see. So his work satisfied me. Okay, so his is subject and me is object. So we have to change into what? Subject will be become object and object will be become subject. So here I is what? Me is I. So I was satisfied. We will use means preposition other than by, with. So it will be suitable here, with. So I was satisfied with his work. Okay, so this is how we change. Okay, let's take another example. My story interested him. My story interested him. Again we will see which tense is this. Again this is a past indefinite tense, and this is our this one is our my is our subject and this is our object. Okay, so how it will be changed? He will be changed into him will be changed into he. So he was interested in my story. Okay, so in this way we are changing. Okay, so I know Ram. This is what? This is simple tense, simple present tense. So simple present tense, how will active voice will be changed into the passive voice? So for that it will be changed is, am, are and verbs third form. Okay, so look at the subject. So subject is I and object is Ram. So we will take Ram. Ram is known to me. Okay, so this is how we are changing this into passive voice other than, means for earlier we using only by, but in this we are using preposition. Okay, so some typical examples or also we will see, like rose smells sweet. How it will be changed? It is typical one. Okay, so rose is sweet. Rose is sweet when smelled. Sit down. So here be seated. Okay, and one must do one's duty. So duty must be done. Okay, so these are the typical ones you have to change in this way. Okay, so take one example also, one more example. For example, I will tell you about this. This means for example, it is time to take exercise. So it is time to take exercise. Okay, so how it will be changed for this? This is there is a formula. It is time, this one, and then we will see the object. Before that we will use 4. Okay, so it is time plus 4, then object, then plus to be, and verbs third form. So how it will be changed? It is time for exercise to be taken. Okay, so these are the typical ones you have to remember. Okay, so now take example of now look at this. Now we have changed. Now take one example of interrogative. Okay, in the interrogative sentence, what the same rules will be followed. Okay, when how we are changing, we are looking at first which tense is this. Same here, it will be changed as it is, but we have to see how it will be changed. So look at this. If we having in our interrogative sentence do, does, did, this. So as you know, do and does, where it is used in the present indefinite tense. So what are the rules for the present indefinite? That is the is, am, are, and verbs third form. Okay, and did will be changed into how? Was, were, and then we will use subject and then verbs third form. Okay, and in another one, modal auxiliaries. In the modal auxiliaries we use modals and then subject and be and verbs third form. Okay, in the case of questioning. Okay, for now next, has, have, had, and has, have, had. So they will again same here, they will be changed into has, have, had plus been and verbs third form. Okay, so let us take the examples first. How? So do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee? Which tense is this? This is your present indefinite tense. For that I have tell you do and does, it will be changed into what? Is, am, are. So first we have to look at this coffee. So this is a singular one. Okay, this is singular now. So this singular, so before this we have to make the question. So first we have to look at the object. So it is singular form. So for that we will use is object, coffee. Is coffee drink, verb third form, drunk by you. Because when we are changing, it will be changed into what? Is, am, are, and verbs third form. Okay, for the present indefinite tense. Okay, now let us take another example. That did he write a letter? Did he write a letter? So how it will be changed? So again first we have to see which tense is this. This is our past indefinite tense. So let us see first. We will see this a letter. It is a singular form. So how it will change? Was, were, and verb third form. So a letter is a singular one. So before that we will use was a letter written by him. Okay, in this way it will be changed. Next is our modal. Okay, so modal, for that how we will change? Can you lift this box? Okay, so can, it will be remain as it is here. Okay, according to the object. So can, object is our this box. Can this object be lifted by you? And question mark is here. Okay, question. Next, look, next example. Has he done his work? Has he done his work. Again, which tense is this? This is our present perfect tense. Okay, so present perfect tense, it will be changed into has, have plus been plus verb's third form. Okay, so look at the example first. So his work, okay, his work is, how it will change? So before this, what, it is a singular one. Has his work been done by him? Okay, now take, is she singing a song? So how it will be changed? A song is again singular one. So is a song being sung by her? Because it is our what? Present continuous tense. Okay, for that is mr, and we use been and verbs third form. Okay, in this way we will change. Okay, now we having, this is the helping verb, and with the help of this we making the questioning. But when the having wh family, as you know, wh family, what, which, where, so these are the our when, so why, so these are the wh family, and how, that also in the question when we are questioning. Okay, so how it will be changed? So the question word is retained in the beginning of the sentence, means what, when, they will be remain as it is before, means पहले ही वो रहेंगे, it will be remain before starting of the sentence. Okay, and then again it will be changed according to the tense and according to the rule which we have told you earlier. Okay, the same thing will be happen in this also. So, and in the case of questioning, the starting from the who, it will be changed by whom, then helping verb and subject and verbs third form. Okay, let us take the example. Okay, first we will take some example of it. Why did you beat your brother? Why did is what? Did is our past indefinite tense, simple past you can say. Okay, so how it will be changed? So let us see first. This is our object, and as I have tell you, the wh family, they will remain before it. Okay, so why it will be remain as it is here. Why your brother, so helping verb we will taking. So was your brother beaten by you? Okay, in this way. And next, when did you beat Mohan? So when, again this is the past indefinite, so when was Mohan met by you? Okay, and then take one more example. Where was the car left? Where did you leave the car? Sorry, where did you leave the car? So how it will be changed? So leave the car. So where, it will be remain as it retained before the sentence. So where, this is a singular one. Where was the car left by you? Okay, the question mark will be there. And who broke this slate? So who will be changed into by whom? Okay, so by whom was this slate broken? Okay, so this is how we change interrogative sentence into the passive one. Okay, so have you understood? Now change, we are having the passive voice, passive of verbs with the object. We having object, but here we having the object complements, means object is extended, means something is telling about the object. So how we will change it into passive voice? Let us take, they elected him president. This is our complement, and this is our object and object complement. And this, which tense is this? This is our past indefinite tense. So how it will be changed? We will take this, he is, him is he was elected president by them. Okay, so in this way the object complement will be changed. Okay, now let us take another example. The teacher made Mohan monitor. This is again Mohan is our object and this is the object complement. Okay, so Mohan was made monitor by the teacher. Okay, so this is how we will change. Okay, so in this way we are changing our active voice into passive voice. Okay, now we will use another, that is a vague type, where we having vague system is what means we having not means you can say how this one will be changed. Like take one example, people say that the earth is sad, so it is, so these will be changed into it is believe, it is sad, it is assumed. So people say this. Okay, people say this, so how it will be, it will be how it will be, so it is said that the earth is round. Okay, so it is said that the earth is round, or it can be the earth is said to be round. Okay, and take one more example. They believe that Mohan is the best doctor in the town. Means it will be how it changed. It is believed that Mohan is the best doctor in the town, or Mohan is believed to be the best doctor in the town. Okay, so now take one more example where the agent not expressed, means the subject is not there. So how, means how you will be doing that. So the thief has been caught. Thief, चोर को कौन पकड़ता है, so that will be understood, means you have to understand yourself. Okay, the thief has been caught. So how it will be changed into the passive voice, the police has caught the thief. Okay, has caught the thief. The road was repaired. Who repaired the road? Workman, labor. The labor repaired the road. So in this way we change our active voice into passive voice. Okay, if any students having any problem in this voice, you can ask me. Okay, so this is how we have completed our